Hello traders and investors, welcome to stock specific analysis episode. In this video, we are going to have a deep technical analysis about Senco Gold. Let's get into the video. So firstly, let's look into Senco Gold and Diamonds, how long they are in the business and how they are performing in this field. Senco Gold and Diamonds been in this field for more than 8 decades and they are well known, reputed in gold and diamonds for the last 5 decades in the eastern India. So they are having almost like 171 stores as of December 2024 records, and the main key important thing to watch is they are going to expand another 20 stores in India. That is going to boost up this stock. So they are one of the most important online trusted jeweler also in India, which is certified gold jewelry. So with all these things, we will see a basic fundamental things. The current market price of the stock is 288.85. The market cap stands at 4,722 crores. It's a small cap company, and the sector we all know it's a diamonds and jewelry. So PE stands at 36.59 and sector PE is at 20.29. 52-week high and all-time high of the stock is 772, which is 62% away from 52-week high. And 52-week low is 227, which is 27% away from its 52-week low. So return so far given for the last 1 year, it is minus 23%. That is very key to be noted, and how the stock is going to perform in the future. And this is what we are going to see. What are the pros and cons, and what is the target of the stock, and is it in the buying zone? That is very important, that to be watched. You have to watch fully to get all these details. So now let's look into how the sales and jewelry market is performing and how it's going to be connected with the Senco. So jewelry demands remain strong despite all it's a record all-time high of the gold prices. You know that there is a recent after Trump era, so the US tariffs concerns have driven the gold prices to the new heights. That is very key important thing. With all these things, this 10-gram gold is worth near to 90,000, which is almost 15% high in the gold prices for the last 3 months. So historically, always the jewelry demands remains to be always in the demanding, even though there is a price hike. So how SGL business and the growth outlook is going to be? So SGL is mainly dealing with old gold exchanges. That is their main key driven of their business, which they are making 35% of revenue from old gold exchanges, benefiting with higher gold prices. That is the very key of their business. And gold as an investment. So always it's going to be a demandable business. The people are interested to buy gold and investing in gold as one of the part of the asset making. So this company is definitely going to be performing well in the future. So revenue growth, SGL is aims to be maintained 18 to 20% growth momentum in the financial year 2026. This is their plan for the upcoming 2026 financial year plan. So how is their EBITDA margin is going to be recovered? So this is one of the worrying factor as them. So EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes and depreciation and amortization. So it is one of the worrying factor for the previous past quarter, which means the Q3 results is declined by 7%, comparing to year 3.8%, because due to lower diamond sales, which is one of the most impacting of this, and one of inventory losses, which is custom duty cut. That is also one of the reason, and hedging losses from the gold price volatility. So how is 2025 Q4 results is going to be? They are expecting the EBITDA is going to be improved to 7 to 8%, with higher diamond sales being recorded in the financial year Q4, and also absence of one-off losses. So financial year 2026 EBITDA target is 7 to 8%, which is historically they have recorded with 6.5% to 8%. So again, this is going to be a challenging for them. If this is to be achieved, then it's good for them to have a gradual growth. So financial year 2025 estimated EBITDA seems to be in margin of 5.3%. So that's why they are planning of 7 to 8%, which is going to be a crucial, and maybe with all the fundamental analysis of their technical growth, so they are going for a challenging 7 to 8% of EBITDA. So with all this, how the stock performance and evaluation is going to be, the stock have corrected almost 50% in last 3 months. This is the very key. As an investor, you will be always looking for the right opportunity to grab the stock on its lower level. So with all the current prices, so the stock is trading 35% discount to its peers like a Thangamile Jewelry, so which they are having 21 PE ratio comparing to the financial year of 2026 PE. So promoter confidence, which is they have increased their stake by 0.1 percentage, which means they have purchased a stock worth of 4 crore on March 17th 2025, which is positive for this stock. So institutional and financial strength. So FIA and DIA, they are showing a good interest of improving their percentage of stakeholding in this stock, and also strong financial track record. So they are having a good revenue growth for last 3 consecutive quarters, and the most important thing is zero promoter pledge. That is a positive for this stock as well. With all these stocks things, what are the key concerns of this stock is inefficient of capital utilization, which is return on capital employed is declining. That is a worrying factor. Weak cash flow from the core business, which is the gold exchanges, that is been declining for the past 2 years, and also EPS is also declining for the last 2 quarters, which is earning per share is also declining. So the technically the stock is bearish, which is currently trading below 200 DMA, below 20 DMA, and below 50 DMA. These all daily moving averages, or the stock is trading below, and now currently exactly it is been at the level of 20 DMA, which we'll be seeing in technical chart. So the stock performance seems to be the Senco Gold down by minus 14% in the last 1 month, while the Nifty is down by 2.43% only. So we'll see the technical levels here. So as I mentioned, the stock is exactly been at the level of 20 DMA with the price of 288, and we seen this price as the entry price, which if it is breaking the 288 level, then the stock may go higher. We will see the resistance and support zones from this. So the immediate resistance will be 290. As I mentioned, this is the immediate crucial resistance level. If it is breaking, then it will be going to 340 levels. So the support level is seeing at 252 first support, and second major support will be seeing at 52 week low in 227. With all this, the price target for short term is 350, and mid to long term will be 424, 580, and 772. So the analysis has been ranging. There will be a 20% upside potential in the short term. Motilal as well have given a target of 400 rupees for this stock. So, and currently the stock is in bearish mode, that is for sure. So it should cross the 20 DMA, and it should move decisively above 290 for next 2 to 3 days. Then the stock have been ended with a 5% upper circuit on the previous trading session. However, when there is a upper circuit is happening, there will be less chance of entering for the new buyers. So when there is a oscillating is happening, then you can make a good investing for the short term. So that's about the Senco Gold and Diamonds. I hope this technical analysis is beneficial for you. This video is for educational purposes. I'm not SEBI registered. So please look into your investments very carefully, and thank you. Stay safe invested.